The topic of today's event is the Introduction to MLSA program. Here, I am Anika Tasmi, a BT student ambassador at Microsoft from Bangladesh, and I am a undergraduate student of Shahjalan University of Science and Technology, Bangladesh. So, before we start, let's review what we will learn today. Today, we will learn what Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors is, why you should join the MLS community. We will also learn who should apply to this program and what milestone you have to reach to complete this program, and the benefits you will get when you reach these milestones. We will also learn how it will take you to achieve the milestones, and I will also talk about my experience till now. And lastly, I will show you the application procedure and some guidelines. We will also take some questions, and you can drop your questions in the chat option, and I will answer the questions from time to time. So now let's start. So what is Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors Program? The Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors Program is a global group of on-campus ambassadors who are eager to help students and their communities, leading in their local tech circles and develop technical and career skills for the future. In this program, you can develop your branding and contribute to the local or global community. Many people ask that if you are getting any incentives from this program. Let me tell you, it's a student ambassador program for your co-curricular activities to make you ready for your future career. The focus of this program is to create leaders who will enrich their community. So no, you won't get any incentives. This program will give you the experience which will make you future ready. As a student ambassador, you might find yourself organizing campus or community hackathon, mentoring other students, or volunteering with an elementary school STEM class. Then the next slide, then why should you join the MLSA community? First of all, expand your skills. Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador is giving you free Microsoft Learn and LinkedIn Learning access. We usually know that to complete a module or learning paths from MS Learn or to complete courses from LinkedIn Learning costs you a good amount. We need LinkedIn Premium to get access to all courses, but Microsoft Student Ambassadors program gives you free access so that students can learn new skills and enrich themselves. Second, lead your community. So Microsoft Student Ambassador Program is working to bring leaders who can control our community and make positive changes. We need leaders who can contribute to society. Microsoft is giving you all resources and opportunities so that you can be a leader in your community. Organize and host events and campaigns. You can see that many student ambassadors are organizing and hosting events. This activity raises your self-confidence and you can be a mentor for other students and fellows. It is a great experience to grow your confidence and organizing skills. Then live hands-on call with leads of the program and community. There are regular monthly and quarterly meetings with professionals, program manager, community program managers, and experts. So you can bring your thoughts and ideas in front of them and discuss your concerns with them. It's an excellent opportunity to grow as you can discuss your ideas or your thoughts with the professionals. Then access to Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Summit. They organize significant events which are based on your career growth. We can learn a lot from those events, get career advice and suggestion. You can choose the events that you are most interested in joining. Some days back, there was a summit and I attended, and it was really convenient for my future career. Microsoft Professional Certifications. We know it needs an amount of cost to attend the Microsoft Professional exams. But after being a student ambassador, MLSA gives you vouchers to gain Microsoft Professional certifications. You can learn everything from MS Learn and then use a voucher to attend the test. So it's entirely free and you are gaining knowledge along with the professional certifications from Microsoft. Then contribute to your communities or leagues. We have different types of leagues for you to be a part of. For example, AI or ML, education, data and analytics, digital accessibility, IoT, mobile and web development, and so much more. You can choose leagues according to your interest and join the meetings and share your ideas, contribute in many ways. Again, you can also contribute to your community. Like you can help your college or university fellows, other students or community members with different topics or resources. You can hold events and campaigns for this purpose. You can educate people and contribute to your community. So the next one is build interdisciplinary skills. You are doing many kinds of stuff during your time as a student ambassador. All these activities are growing your multidisciplinary skills. Uh, you are improving your public speaking. You are building your personal branding and so much more. You are finding the new you every day by just growing your skills. Then mentorship from experts. As a student, we have so many doubts, so many problems and concerns, and we don't have an answer on how we should proceed. We need mentorship from experts who can guide us along the way, and MLSA understand that as well. That's why after being a student ambassador, you can get mentorship from professionals. You can share your concerns you have with them and get professional help you need for a smooth career start. Then Azure subscription. Here, everyone, do we know Azure? Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing system. You can use any cloud computing service in Azure. So MLSA is giving you the Azure subscription every month. So you can deploy any service like compute, network, data analytics, and any others for free. Then connect with amazing personalities. You can connect with the professionals from Microsoft, the program manager, the community program managers, and many other experts. You are getting the opportunity to share your thoughts with them. You are only getting this chance as being a student ambassador. Then outstanding experience to add to your resume. You can add all the knowledge you are getting from this program as your extracurricular, adding weight to your resume. It explains your learned skills, your leadership skills, and much more. Then, helpful friends sharing the same passion as you. You can connect with student ambassadors worldwide, and you can find friends who have the same passion as you. You can pair with them. You can start something unique with them, like entrepreneurship, innovation, development, etc. So it's an excellent opportunity for you in this MLSA community. There are many more reasons why you should join the community, but I have narrowed down this for now, and I am assuming everyone here is now really excited to know more about the program. Let me know your thoughts or any questions in this chat, and I will get back to you with your answers really soon. Then the next slide, we have who should apply. So the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador community is for students like you who want to use tech for to solve real-world problems with like-minded peers, establish themselves as mentors and leaders in their community, and uh, amplify their impact in their community or in global community. To join the community, you should be at least 16 years old. So MLSA program is open for every student regardless of their background. Even I am from a business background, yet I am an MLSA. So there's no boundary that you have to be from tech background or any other background. There's no boundary. So anyone, any student can join this program. Then, if you are a tech enthusiast, want to explore more technical opportunities and want to contribute to a tech-related field, then it's your call. You If you already have some experience, it's a plus point for you, but it is not mandatory. You can learn everything even after joining the community. Again, if you are a problem solver and want to solve existing problems in your local or global community using tech, you are welcome to this program. Then, if you are a leader and want to work as a mentor for other students, you should apply for this program because you will find numerous opportunities to show your leadership and mentorship skills during this program. Lastly, if you want to contribute to your college, university, or community and are passionate about educating your community and peers, this is the right platform for you. Then, the next slide, we have program milestones. Now, let's talk about program milestones. When I introduced myself, you have noticed that I mentioned myself as a beta MLSA. That was the indication that I have achieved the beta milestone till now. So, in the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program, there are 3 milestones that every MLSA achieves. When you first join this program, you become a new Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador with no star. The next stage is Alpha with 1 star. Then you will reach Beta with 2 star and lastly Gold with 3 star. These milestones indicate what you have done in this program and how much you have achieved and learned in this program. Then we have the next slide. So, what's in it for you? After getting accepted into this program, you instantly get Microsoft 365, TechSmith Snagit, and TechSmith Camtasia. So, who does not know about TechSmith, Snagit, or TechSmith Camtasia? Snagit and Camtasia are editing software. It usually needs to buy a subscription, but Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program is giving you all free access. Then, when you become Alpha, you unlock some more benefits. You still have the prior benefits, and you also unlock some more benefits. You get a Visual Studio subscription. You get many things under a Visual Studio subscription. You get Windows Key or many more things. You get Azure credits and can use any service in Azure for free. You can also get a MTC voucher. It's for taking part in Microsoft professional certifications. It usually costs a reasonable amount, but using the MTC voucher is totally free. Then also, you are also getting a LinkedIn Learning voucher and name.com voucher. Using the name.com voucher, you can create your personalized name.com. It's pretty awesome. And using the LinkedIn Learning voucher, you can access to all the courses on LinkedIn fully free. Then the next milestone, the beta milestone. When you reach the beta milestone, you still have the prior advantages, the prior benefits. And after reaching benefit, you get the subway catering, expense reimbursement. If you organize any offline event, you can enjoy this benefit. Then the swag box. Every MLSA, every student ambassador waits for this swag box. It's a gift hamper which comes from America to directly at your door. Also, you get consideration to join Student Ambassador Summit. That's all for the beta milestone benefits. Then the next milestone, we have the last milestone, the gold milestone. You get the consideration to join special events and speak there. Also, you can get the opportunity to lead the program and you can participate in pilot activities. Also, you get the most prestigious MVP mentorship. It's Microsoft's most valued professional mentorship. So you can get this opportunity to get this MVP mentorship. Also, you can also get the consideration to be nominated for MVP. So it's a dream of every student ambassadors to actually get nominated for MVP. Then we have the next slide. So if you get selected for this program, how will you continue? Here's the roadmap. So when after getting selected, You can join a league and participate in all the activities. You have to complete a learning path from MS Learn. You can choose any path you want. It's fully according to your interest or according to your career plan. After completing the learning path, you will be advanced to Alpha milestone. There, you will unlock all the benefits that I mentioned earlier. Then you will host an event and teach your community, university fellows, any topic, and talk about any Microsoft technology and the uses of the Microsoft technology. So you must report that event to the Microsoft Learning Ambassador program. And if your event meets all the requirements, there are some requirements of the event. So if you join this program, then you will know all the requirements for the program. So if your event meets all the requirements, so then you will be upgraded to beta milestone. After reaching the beta milestone, you will receive the swag box and you will unlock all other the benefits. You will continue your journey by contributing to your community, hosting events and campaigns, and scaling your learnings on MS Learn or from LinkedIn Learning. Then you can get nominated for gold milestone. So after getting the nomination for gold milestone, if you get selected for gold milestone, so if you reach the gold milestone, then you will still contribute to the community and you will receive recognition for your high impact achievements. You will also get nominated for the MVP mentorship. Also, you can eligible for the MVP mentorship. So after that, you will graduate from this program, and this is the whole roadmap of this Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program. So the cohorts. So Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program has mainly 4 cohorts in January, April, July, and October. The last cohort was October 2021, and the next cohort is for January 2022. So if you apply to this program before December 2021, then you will be getting the results in January 2022. What is cohorts? Okay, so it is like the onboarding process. So if the last cohort was the October, so after the October 2000, the application process started. So after the application process started, so you can apply for this program, and the program will be continued. The application program will be continued to December, and after that, from all the applications, they will select those people who will be joining this program, and the results will be published and will be made to you in January 2022. So that's how it's like working. These are the cohorts. So we have 4 cohorts of January, April, July, and October. Like the next cohort is January, so you can apply now or before December. So you can join the January cohort, or if you don't want to join the January cohort, then you can apply for this program after January, and you can after January to like March. So in after that, you will be selected for the April cohort. So that's how the cohorts work. These are the cohorts. Okay, I can see some questions, so let's just answer that. Okay, so Muinuddin has if anyone applies on the 15th October 2022, when would he be able to know if she accepted or not? Okay, so I just mentioned that the next cohort is in January. You will know it in January that you will get an email that you are selected to the Microsoft Learn Student program. So if you have applied on October 15th, so you will get the result in January 2022. Then can we apply on December? Yes, you can apply because the next cohort is January. So yeah, you can apply in December. You will be selected. If you are selected, then you will get your results in January 2022. Then, what are the conditions to get selected? Okay, what are the conditions to get selected? Actually, I have just mentioned that you can see that there are no requirements. They just wanted. Let me show you again. Okay, I just mentioned here who should apply. So what are the requirements? There's no such requirements. Just you have to be like 16 years old, and you have to be a student from college or university, or yeah, and you should have a valid identification. So that are the requirements. But how can you be selected for this program? So that it's totally up to your leadership skills. How can you contribute to the community? Like Microsoft Learning Ambassador wants to see how can you contribute to your community, your local community. Okay, so like you at your university, or if you are studying in a college, so at your college, your fellows, or in your community where you are living. So how you can contribute to your community or community members? How can you educate them? How can you bring your student students from your college or university? How can you enrich them with the knowledge that you have gained from this program? So that's all. uh, they will see that if you can contribute to your community, if you can show your leadership skills, so that are the requirements. Mainly, they will see that if you can lead your community, if you can show the leadership skills, if you can be a mentor in your community. So that's all the things that they will see. So mainly your interpersonal personal skills. So, but it's obvious that many of us can like we don't have the qualities still, but we can grow our skills through all the resources that Microsoft Learning Ambassadors are giving us. So they will see that if you can contribute to the community or not, your confidence level, your leadership skills, and there's all. Then the next question is, how did you get our email and phone number to invite us here from MLSA? Okay, Munuddin, I did not get your this question. Just clarify this one. Mm, Is there any screening process of selecting ambassador? Any test or interview? Okay, so no, Talha, uh, there are fixed procedures that I will show you just after these slides. So there will not be any interview or any test. You just have to fill out the form. There's a form, and I will show you and what you have to provide them. So you will provide them some videos and some answers, and they will screen your form according to your answers, your videos, and that's all. There won't be any interview or any other tests. So let me know if you have any other questions. So let's just proceed and let's go to the next slide. So my experience. Now let's talk about my experience during the time. I completed learning paths from MS Learn and got to know many things. There are so many modules and learning paths so that you can choose according to your interest. They have exercise and hands-on learning, so it was a great experience. I did not even organize or host any events before joining the Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador program, but I always wanted to do so. So Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador gave me the opportunity. At first, I learned my preferred topics from Microsoft Learn, and then I organized my events for the first time in my life. At first, I was very nervous, but seeing amazing people around me doing events and contributing to communities boosted my just confidence. Um, I also got a chance to contribute and speak at many events which were outside of my country. I collaborated with other Microsoft Learning Student ambassadors and got the opportunity to be a guest speaker of Microsoft Club at the Satyavam Institute of Science and Technology from India. So I got the chance to know many people, student ambassadors and hosts worldwide. And I also got an audience worldwide who is communicating with me about the programs, their questions, and all that. Then I was very fortunate to be in the top 5 team of the Ambassador Pitch event. It was a Shark Tank like event, just by Microsoft Planetarium Ambassador, and just for the Microsoft Planetarium Ambassador, I was selected as the top 5 and got the chance to pitch in front of the professionals of Microsoft. I am very proud of this event. It was an incredible experience. Then currently I am working in the management team at Bangladesh Microsoft Learning Ambassador Community. Also planning to build an institutional Microsoft Learning Student Community at my university to bring more student ambassadors from my university and connect to my fellows. We have events, campaigns, and many other activities from Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador. So you can see it's a pretty remarkable journey till now. It's building my skills day by day, and I hope if you people join the Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador community, you will have a more impressive journey than me. So I have said that how much time do you need to give to MLSA program every day, considering we are studying and working simultaneously. Is it hectic schedule after joining the program? No, not at all. So Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador is giving you the enough resources, enough opportunity, enough time, especially the time. Because if you are saying, if you are thinking that will it be hectic to like continue this program or your education or other things, so it's not hectic because you will get like 1 year to complete your alpha milestone. You will get 1 year to complete your beta milestone. Like there's some at least you should be active at least 1 day in 90 days. So I think nobody is here who can't be like active for just 1 day in 90 days. Okay, so it's not hectic at all, but it's recommended that if you can just give some time like 1 hour, 2 hour, or half hour, or just some minutes every day, that will be really great. Because there are so many opportunities every day they are coming. We use the Teams, Microsoft Teams, and there are like so many communities, so many leagues, so many events every day is going on. So if you just join for some time every day, so you can see all the events are going on, all the events, all the campaigns, or all the like other things are going on, so you can participate in that. And you can just if you have some problems, if you have some like exams or any other problems, so it's not mandatory that you have to be active every day. It's not mandatory. You just have to be active at least 1 day in 90 days. So that's the main requirements after you join. Because if you like inactive for all the time, then your membership, your student ambassadorship will be cancelled. You can just give your time as you can, or just I would just suggest that you at least every day just check all the teams, all the all the community activities, all the league activities, so that you can know that actually what's going on here. Is this program just about hosting and participating in events and learning, or there is anything more? No, it's not about just hosting events or not the campaigns or just not learning anything. That's not it. Okay. So let me just clear that's not it. Because there's so many opportunities here. Because you can do the innovation. You can I just said there are a lot of leagues. So you can join the leagues as you like prefer or as per your interest. So you can join the leagues. There are so much innovation, development, and many other things. So you can participate in that. Like many student ambassadors are creating many more things, many more stuffs every day, innovating many more things. So you have some ideas, but you don't know how to apply that. So you can just connect with the professionals. You can share your ideas. You can work on your ideas on those ideas, and thus you can actually improving yourself. You are improving your community. You can contribute to your community, and that's all. So it's not about hosting events or hosting campaigns and all that. But the focus of this program is to make the leaders who can control the community, who can take the control of the community, who can bring the positivity in our community, who can innovate, who can apply a lot of things and technical stuffs and all that. So it's not about only hosting events and just learning and growing my own skills. It's not about that. What are the don'ts for the MLSA program? Okay, there are a lot of don'ts of the MLSA program. There are a code of conduct, and you have to maintain that. Like, for example, you can say that we are a part of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program, but we are not a part of the Microsoft. Okay, these are both different things. Microsoft Learn Student program, like if I say that you can see my slides, my every says and anywhere I'm not using the Microsoft logos or anything else. Okay, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador has their unique code of conduct, and you have to maintain code, those code of conduct, and there's the rule. So you can just do. You have the opportunity, you have the freedom to do a lot of things, but there are code of conduct, and you have just maintain that. There are not a lot of things that there are a lot of don'ts, but there are some points that you have to maintain, and that's it. Is it going to help us in getting referral in Microsoft? Okay, so getting referral, you mean the nomination. Like, yes, any existing student ambassador can nominate you, but it's not that you will be selected. No, it's totally up to you. Your skills, your experience, your knowledge, and totally up to you. So if uh, anyone is nominating you, any student ambassador is nominating you, it's not that you will be selected. You can be rejected as well. It's totally up to you that what is your skills. Can you contribute to the community? Can you uh, yeah, can you show your leadership skills and all that? So if anyone is nominating you, or you are getting any referral, that's not the thing that you will be selected. You can be still rejected by this program. Can you share the code of conduct list? The code of conduct list will be that will be shared after you join the community, so that won't be shared now. So after you join the community, the first thing you will be see that the code of conduct. Okay, so I'm not sharing that right now. So after you join the community, you can see all those code of conduct. So if you have any other concerns regarding the MLSA program, or like while applying for this program, I will show you how to apply. But in future, if you face any problems regarding the application procedure or any other thing, so you can just ping me on my social media. These are my social media handles, and I would love to assist you if you need any other help from me. So that's it. Then the application procedure. I'm just going to share the link, and you all can go to the website with me. Let me just share it in the chat. Okay, I have shared the link, and everyone can go through the link. And let me just share my screen again. So this is the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors website. So if you can't access to the link, so you can just in the in your browser that Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, and you will just the first link that the first option that you will get, that is the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador website. So you can just browse in your browser, or you can just go through the link. So this is the website, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador website, and just let me go down. Just let me scroll down here. Okay. Okay, so at first, at the top of the screen, let's just see here option that apply the events. So the events option is, if you click on this option, we can go to the events page. So there you can see all the events that are upcoming, all the events all over the world by the student ambassadors. You can see all the events, and you can, if you find anything that's interesting, so then you can join those events. Then the competition. So there are a lot of competitions going on, so you can just join that. Questions, that is Microsoft Learn, and the resources. So you can just go through these tabs and can see all those things about Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So if we scroll down, here's the apply link. We will see that a little later. Just let's see the website first. So again, Here's the profile. Wait. So you can see here's option that profile. So if you click on this option, so you can see the profiles of all the existing uh, uh, student ambassadors, and you can see them, their profiles and all that. Here's the event and the amazing tab. Any students, not only the student ambassador, any students can participate in that, and there's really an amazing competition. And here's the answer. You can access the answer from here. And here, why you should apply. So it says that make a difference with students from around the world, grow your skills and build your reputation as a tech insider, become a leader in your local tech community, and empower your peers. So that's the thing. Then the next page, next scroll down, the learn student ambassador milestones. So here's I just already mentioned everything. So if you click on the learn more, you will see the milestones and the benefits there and all that. So here are some words from the previous gold student ambassadors, and after that. How it works, you can click on the learn more and you can get a broader knowledge about the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program. And after that, the Imaging Hub, Microsoft Learn TV, Microsoft Creator live stream, then the Microsoft Developer live stream and all that. So that's it, the website. So let me just click on the apply now. So before that, let me just tell you that you can see here, I am already here. I am already signed in. So you can see here the sign in option. Okay. So everyone have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So if you are not signed in, if you click on the apply now, so then you will ask ask you to sign in through your Microsoft account. So I am already signed in, so I can just go through the apply now button. So let's just click on the apply now, and here the application form will appear, and we have to fill out this form. So let's see. Okay, here's the application form. We have to fill out some thing that is privacy and terms. We will see the privacy and terms, our personal information, academic institution information. So those are the basic information. The main information that is needed, the application questions. Okay, one student was asking uh, how if they will take any interview or any test. No, they will not take any interview or test. They will see your application questions. Okay, so how did you fill the application questions? How did you add your videos and all that? They will just see all these things, and after analyzing things, they will select you or reject you. So, and after the social media and additional information, that's also the basic information. So let's just see the application notification. So it's still talking about the October cohort. So but now we will be applying for the January cohort, January 2022. So you can just click on the next. And one more thing, you can see the last option. The application will be automatically saved. You can leave it anytime and come back later to continue the application. So as you are like signed in with your Microsoft account, so as far as you have just completed the application, that will be saved. So you can just go back or create your for the application questions. So you can just form your questions, you can just create your answers, and then you can create your videos, and after that you can come back to this website and again you can continue your application. So we are going to select next. After that, here's the privacy and terms. So here's the privacy and terms, and you can see that all applying students must be at least 16 years old at the time of the submission, be enrolled full-time in an accredited academic institution, college or university, have valid identification. So if you have these three things, so there's no other requirements. So you can be from anywhere, any background or any other thing. so that's not a problem. If you are a college student or university student, you should be a full-time student, and you should have a valid identification, and you should be at least 16 years old. That's all the requirements here. So here's other thing. So you can just read all these things before you click on the agree. Okay, I can just say that all your information will be subjected by Microsoft Privacy Statement, and after you submit the application, the Microsoft program can save you for additional information to evaluate your suitability for the program, or if your application is not accepted, then uh, all the information that you have provided according to your answers, your basic information, your videos, everything will be removed from the servers of Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador within 12 months. I mean 1 year of the application submission date. So that's all. And also you can apply to request a removal of your application data at any time, and you can send the request to help@microsoft.com. So that's it. So let's just click on the I agree and wish to continue, and then click on the next. So after that, it's the personal information. It's asking for my first name, last name, gender, pronoun, contact email. Contact email has already been secured because it's using my Microsoft account. So I have signed in with my Microsoft account. So they are using that email address for contact email, and my place of date of birth, and country, and provision. So let's just type something. Okay, male. She, her. Let's just add anonymous year, anonymous birthday. Okay. Okay, let's just add it. Okay. So my country. So I'm from Bangladesh. So I'm going to add Bangladesh. Okay, that's it. That's it. So okay, this box is for check this box to opt in to receive transactional program specific updates to this phone number via text or SMS. So message or data rates may apply. So I'm just not going to check this box. So next, then my academic institution. So you can just add your academic information and all that. So I'm just not going to select that. And application questions. So you just see, please answer the questions in the following section with one video and two written examples. So only one video within under 2 minutes should be provided. The video can be recorded with your phone or webcam, so long as your voice can be clearly heard. It should be recorded or anything, phone or webcam. So if I tell you my experience, when I was applying for this program, I just used my webcam, my laptop's webcam to record my video, and I just did not did any editing or any other things. I just recorded and I just send it to this. So it's not necessary. Just your voice just can be here. That's all it's required. So you don't have to show your editing skills or any other skills. If you want to show them, that's okay. That's really all right, but that's not a needed. Just make sure that the answers you are giving them, that's really valid uh, and uh, really proficient for to select your application, and you should be heard clearly, and that's all. So please select the area where you can demonstrate your public speaking skills with a video. So let's just see here. So it tells you three types of things. So one is inspire. What inspires you about technology? The second is how would you teach a technical concept to a friend? Promote. How would you promote a technical event at school? So you can see anything here. Like if I uh, select the teach option, like how would you teach a technical concept to a friend? So I am selecting this. So I just have to like add the video for the teach, like how would I demonstrate my technical concepts or technical topics or anything else. How would I teach my friend? So I just have to so teach how would I technical concept teach a friend or a peer that has never heard of it. So I just have to make a video on it, and I just have to add that video here. So you can see here that it's a web it needs the web link, so you can just save your video in your drive or any other thing like YouTube or any other platform, and you can just share your link here. So if you don't want to like use this one, like the inspire and promote, so for these two questions you just have to write a detail or example, but for the teach you I just have to add my video. So if you don't want to like select this one, so you can select any other option like inspire. If I select the inspire, so now I have to add my video for the inspire question, and I have to see write the answers for the next two questions, the teach and promote. So that's the application procedure. So they will see your answers here. If your answers are pretty much like goes with their organization, our organization, the Microsoft Learning Student Ambassadors, and they can see that yes, you can inspire people, you can teach people, you can promote the technical events, technical other things with your peers or other students or fellows or in your community. So if you can show that yes, you have these skills, you can teach a student, you can be a leader in your community, you can be a mentor for your other students, for your peers or university fellows. So if you can show you these skills, so then it's pretty much that you can be selected to this program. So that's the application procedures, and then the social media and additional information. So social media, you will add all your social media platform, and for additional information, which of the following technologies interest you. So if I click on the drop down, so I can see the artificial intelligence, blockchain, data science, DevOps, gaming, Internet of Things, mixed reality, mobile development, networking, open source, security, web development. You can just tell them that which technology interests you, and you can see multiple options here. So that's all. Or if you want to share any other uh, experience or any other skills you have, so you can share these things here, but it's not needed. You can see there's not needed option, so it's not needed. So the most important questions, that was that application questions. So these three questions, the inspire, teach and promote. So you just have to add two now, and you have to add two answers. So you can just do it, just make it convenient, that will go with our program, go with your this ambassadors, student ambassadors program, and just show that how you can lead your community, how you can help your friend, how you can educate your fellows and your peers, how can you be a how can you a mentor in future. So there's the all things that you need to show them, your skills, your potentials, you just have to show them. If you can convince them, then you can be selected in this program. Okay, so that was the website part. Okay, so if I again go to the main page, the Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador page, uh, and just how it works, just click on the line learn more. So discover the Microsoft Learning Student Ambassadors community. So here's a lot of things they are saying, so you can just go through this doc file, so you can just see everything about the Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador. If you have any other questions, or you can just ping me anytime if you need any help about this program. So that was all for today's event. Okay, one students have asked that do student ambassadors get paid weekly or monthly? I just earlier that no, it's just a student ambassadors program, and their focus is to bringing the leaders from the society to run the community. So that's also, you are not getting paid, but you are getting a great experience, a lot of opportunities, a lot of career opportunities, future opportunities, and a lot of resources that will build, that can help you to build your career. So that was all. So let me just stop sharing. Now let me know if you have any question. Do you need some technology knowledge for being a part of this? No, you don't need, because I just mentioned that if you have any technological knowledge, it's a plus point for you. It's a plus point for you, but it's not needed. The questions there was like, how will teach your a friend? So you can just show your leadership skills there, that yes, I can I can teach my friend because I have these skills, so I can teach a friend any topic about the technology. So then they promote, how we will promote the technological stuffs and all that. So you can share your plan. So how the friends, you have some friends, but they don't know any technological stuffs, or they don't have any knowledge. So you are suppose you are want to host an event, you want to teach your friends about GitHub, but they don't know about anything. They don't know what is GitHub or anything like that. So you want to promote. So what is your plan? How you will approach those friends to acknowledge them that about this technical stuff? So that's the promote option. And the first one was inspire. So how will inspire a friend to come to this to use this technology or any other things? So that was how you will inspire. So what is your plan? What is the steps you will take, and how you will convince that friend or that peers, or you, how you will inspire that friend? So that's the thing. So you don't need technological knowledge, because after if you are selected to this program, you can learn everything from MS Learn, LinkedIn Learning, and other resources that you will get from this program. So you can learn everything from there. So it's not needed that you have to have some technological knowledge. So it's not needed, because you are learning after, you can learn after joining this program. But yes, it's a plus point. If you have already some knowledge, it's a plus point for you. But you can see the application questions, there's not mentioned that okay, uh, uh, Prashantha, yeah, can you please explain this technology? No, there's no such question. They just want to see how you will approach, how you will inspire, how you will teach a friend, how you will promote some technological steps to a friend. So that's the thing. Okay, so you just need the leadership skills, the mentorship skills, the interpersonal personal skills, the organizing skills. There's the public speaking skills, the presentation skills. All those things you need for this program. The basic things that you need for this program. So the technological knowledge is not mandatory. Okay. Do we need to study things like theoretically while being a part of this? No, it's not like theoretically. I just mentioned when you are learning anything, any stuff like there are a lot of stuff you can learn from MS Learn, LinkedIn Learning, and all that. So if I we know about LinkedIn Learning, so I'm just avoiding that. I'm just talking about the MS Learn. So if you don't know about the MS Learn, so there are a lot of exercise. There are a lot of like hands-on exercise. So like if I am teaching, if I am learning Azure, so if I am learning Azure, there's exercises that's teaching me how can I create a website in Azure. So you are learning everything. Yeah, there have so many case studies, so you can see the case, you can see the you can learn the answers of the case studies. You can also see the hands-on exercise. So it's not only theoretically, you are learning everything practically. So it's not only the theoretic, you are gaining only theoretical knowledge, not like that. You are learning practically, you are getting the sandbox and all that. So using the sandbox, you can just use you can just create anything in Azure or any other stuff, and you are just getting the practical knowledge because you are learning, and again you are applying that learning on your work. So that's how it works. And about the case studies, there are a lot of case studies, and there are a lot of module, and every module has some case studies, and they first show you the case study, like we have this problem in an organization, so how you will solve this problem. So that's how then you will start to learning the steps that you should take to solve the problem. So that's how you are learning all this stuff from Microsoft Learn. So it's not only that the boring theoretical knowledge, it's not like that. You are at first you are seeing the problem, then you are thinking that how can I solve this problem, then you are getting the answers, then you are getting the stuffs, the resources, that how you should solve this problem. So that's how the MS Learn works. So let me know if you have any other concerns, any other problems, any other questions. Are there live sessions or pre-recorded sessions for these modules or learnings? Okay, so for the MS Learn, there are the recorded session. There are some live sessions also, I think, but the most of the modules have the recorded sessions. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining this event, and it really means a lot. And hope to see you again in any other event. So thank you so much for today and for your cooperation during this event.